Welcome to the course Exploring the Solar System. I'm Shweta from Astronera, and in this lecture, let's learn some interesting things about our planets. The ancient humans noticed some objects in the sky which were not following certain paths like the other stars in the sky. The Indians started calling them as Navagraha, which means 9 planets. Although this concept was not quite similar to the concept of planets that we have today. Graha is defined as an astronomical body in the sky that moves. The very meaning of the word Graha in Sanskrit is the one that moves. These were the 9 objects having different paths in the sky than the other stars. Surya means the sun, Buddha means Mercury, Shukra means Venus, Chandra means moon, Mangal means Mars, Guru means Jupiter, and Shani means Saturn. They all are in constant motion in the sky, so they were all called as Grahas. However, this concept evolved with the studies and now Graha means planets. Moon and sun are not included anymore. The ancient Greeks named these moving objects as planets, meaning the wanderers. The invention of the telescope added Uranus, Neptune and Pluto to our list of planets. We have launched dozens of probes into the solar system, exploring further and diving deeper, discovering something new with every step that we took. This sometimes confused us and raised some controversies as well. For example, the planet status of Pluto was taken away after discovering Aries, Pluto's twin. We categorized Pluto and Aries and similar objects beyond Pluto as dwarf planets in 2006. But this decision remains controversial, especially after the New Horizons mission found immense geological variety on Pluto in 2015. How each planet in our solar system is different. How we find similarities in them. Let's have a closer look at the planets in the next lecture.